Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Arbitrum token or coin on your Metamask. So first of all we're going to do is simply log on to coinmarketcap.com, scroll down till you get to the about section, and here you can simply find its Arbitrum native contract address. But what we're looking for is its Ethereum. So once here, you simply copy this. It takes you to the Ether scan. So you scroll down and simply click on this copy here. Copy, minimize, open up your Metamask. And once your Metamask has opened up, your next step would simply be to click on import tokens. That's on the Ethereum main network. Make sure you're on Ethereum main network. You could search for Arbitrum. Here we go, Arbitrum. You could click on this and import it directly into your wallet. And just in case you can't find it there, you simply click on this import token, head over to custom tokens, paste that address too as well, and the name and its decimal should pop out. Click on import. Boom, same thing. So if you could notice, to buy Arbitrum directly is not possible. You can't like simply buy the Arbitrum here directly. What you need to do is to simply buy Ethereum and then swap your Ethereum for the Arbitrum. So simply click on buy Ethereum. You could use it using any of these payment methods. And once you've obtained Ethereum, your browser at the bottom right corner of the screen, you click on it. You head over to Uniswap. So let's open up Uniswap, app.uniswap.org. The link would be in the description of the video. And make sure your wallet is connected by simply clicking on this wallet connect option. Click on wallet connect, and then you simply select Metamask. Click on connect, click on Metamask, and boom, we are connected. So now once you paste the contract address, click on Arbitrum. So 0.0005. As you can see, $9 worth of Arbitrum plus $13 worth of gas fees is only 8 Arbitrum tokens. So now our next step, in order to avoid these high gas fees and the rest, is to simply open up our OKX mobile app. So you simply minimize, open up your OKX mobile app. So now by simply using our link in the description of this video, you can open an account if you do not possess one already on the OKX mobile app, and you'd be gifted $10,000 worth of mystery boxes just by using our link. So now our next step once on OKX is to click on this trade icon in the middle, and once there you simply deposit some cryptocurrency like the USDT, Bitcoin, any cryptocurrency asset you have. By simply clicking on this deposit here, you can do all of that and more. And once you've done that, click on trade, click on OMN/USDT at the top left, click on this and search for ARB, click on Arbitrum USDT. And now by simply trading, we can trade some of our USDT in exchange for some Arbitrum. So now if you could remember, 13 gas fees plus $8 worth of Arbitrum is giving us $21 worth of USDT in exchange for 17, whereas you'd pay 21 for 8 Arbitrum on the Uniswap. So now once you click on buy Arbitrum, you set your stop loss and take profit, and the trade closes successfully. You're getting 17 Arbitrum and your USDT will be exchanged for that. You simply click on these assets here, click on withdraw here, select Arbitrum or search for Arbitrum, click on it, on chain, and then you'll be asked for the address, which we simply get from our Metamask. Click on this and click on Arbitrum and click on copy. So we're receiving some Arbitrum here. Copy this, minimize, open up the OKX, paste it here. The network would then enter automatically, or you could manually set it yourself. And we're looking at ERC20, and we're getting 18 Arbitrum. And here is the fee. It's not even up to 1. So you simply click on submit, and the Arbitrum would then be deposited directly on your Metamask. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can buy the Arbitrum coin or token on Metamask, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.